അടിപൊളി. അതെവിടെയാ പൊട്ടിയത്? What do you think of me, bro?
At a funeral, just like mamas. What up, fam? Let's go pop these motherfuckers out. What's cracking? Hey, look, we gotta go do something real big. What up, kid? Listen up, fellas. Like we were saying, no more base in the streets. Finally. Peep this. We're gonna unite the families once more because the ball has been pumping our guys full of base for too long while we argue amongst ourselves. So all the family sets are gonna meet down at Jefferson Motel. I say it's time we went down there and made it official. Keep that shit off our streets.
ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഷെയറും ചെയ്യണമെന്നില്ല, കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യേ. അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യേ. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ബൈ ഗൈസ്. So it's me, Clever Gaming, signing off. Bye guys.